Hey everyone, welcome back to Turbo Trendz TV. Today, we've got something truly exciting for you in the brand new 2026 Lexus NX. Lexus has always been synonymous with luxury, refinement, and reliability, and this latest iteration of the NX is a perfect example of how the brand continues to push the boundaries in design, technology, and performance. Whether you're a longtime Lexus fan, someone looking for a standout compact luxury SUV, or just a car enthusiast, the 2026 NX promises to impress. So, buckle up, because we're going to take a detailed look at every aspect of this vehicle, from its exterior design to the interior features, performance, pricing, and finally, our verdict on whether it truly lives up to the hype. Exterior. Let's start with the exterior. The front of the 2026 NX immediately grabs your attention with its bold, dynamic presence. Lexus has taken its iconic spindle grille and refined it for a more aggressive yet sophisticated look. The grille now features a complex mesh pattern that adds depth and a modern touch, making the NX instantly recognizable on the road. Flanking the grille are sharp, sleek LED headlights, complete with L-shaped daytime running lights that provide excellent visibility while also adding a touch of signature Lexus flair. The front bumper has been sculpted with subtle aerodynamic lines, giving it a poised yet athletic stance. Even the hood has a slightly more pronounced contour, enhancing the vehicle's muscular look while improving airflow. Overall, the front end of the NX strikes a perfect balance between elegance and aggression, making a statement without feeling over the top. Moving along to the side profile, the 2026 NX offers a silhouette that's both sporty and refined. Lexus has slightly lengthened the wheelbase, which not only improves the interior space but also gives the SUV a more grounded and stable stance. The character lines flow gracefully from the front fenders all the way to the rear, creating a sense of motion even when the car is stationary. The available 20-inch alloy wheels add a premium touch, while chrome accents along the window line and lower door trims contribute to a sophisticated, upscale look. The side mirrors are aerodynamically designed, complete with integrated turn signals, enhancing both aesthetics and functionality. The gently sloping roof line hints at a coupe-like design, giving the NX a sportier presence compared to its competitors. Overall, the side view communicates both luxury and agility, appealing to drivers who want their SUV to stand out on the road. Now, let's talk about the rear of the NX. Lexus has carried the same attention to detail to the back of the vehicle. The tail lights feature a full-width LED strip that not only looks futuristic but also enhances visibility to other drivers. The light signature is sleek, sharp, and unmistakably Lexus, giving the rear a premium, modern aesthetic. The rear bumper is sculpted with dual exhaust outlets, integrated in a way that feels clean and sporty. A subtle roof spoiler adds a dynamic touch, while the overall rear design maintains a sense of balance and proportion. The tailgate itself is wide and easy to operate, making loading and unloading cargo effortless. Whether parked or driving, the back of the 2026 NX radiates sophistication, reinforcing the SUV's overall premium feel. Interior. Step inside, and the interior of the 2026 NX truly shines. Lexus has focused on creating a cabin that feels luxurious, comfortable, and technologically advanced. The materials are top-notch, with soft-touch surfaces, high-quality leather upholstery, and optional wood or metal trims depending on the trim level. The seats are highly adjustable and provide excellent support, ideal for both city driving and long road trips. The driver-centric cockpit features a fully digital instrument cluster that's easy to read and customizable, paired with a large, higher-resolution infotainment touchscreen that now includes a more intuitive interface and advanced voice controls. Connectivity is a strong point, with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, wireless charging, and multiple USB ports ensuring that all your devices stay connected and powered on the go. The ambient lighting system adds a sense of calm and luxury, while the panoramic sunroof floods the cabin with natural light, making the space feel airy and inviting. Storage solutions are also clever, with ample compartments, cup holders, and a spacious glove box, demonstrating Lexus' commitment to practicality alongside luxury. Every detail in the cabin feels intentional, From the ergonomic placement of controls to the premium feel of the steering wheel and pedals. Performance. When it comes to performance, the 2026 NX delivers a driving experience that's both smooth and engaging. The standard gasoline engine provides a balanced mix of power and efficiency, making it perfect for daily commutes or weekend drives. For those seeking eco-friendly performance without sacrificing power, the hybrid variant combines strong acceleration with remarkable fuel efficiency, achieving an impressive balance that few competitors can match. The all-wheel drive system is available on most trims, enhancing traction and stability in various driving conditions. Steering is precise, and the suspension setup has been refined to absorb road imperfections while maintaining a connected feel on twisty roads. Lexus has also included selectable drive modes, allowing drivers to tailor the vehicle's behavior to their preferences, whether that's prioritizing comfort for city driving or sportiness for more spirited journeys. Safety is a major focus, with standard features including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and a host of other advanced driver assistance technologies. These systems not only enhance safety but also make driving more relaxing, especially on long trips or in heavy traffic. Now let's talk about pricing. The 2026 Lexus NX is competitively positioned in the luxury compact SUV segment. The base model comes with an impressive list of standard features at a reasonable price point, while the higher trims offer additional luxury touches, advanced technology, and performance enhancements. The hybrid variants are slightly more expensive but offer long-term savings on fuel and reduced environmental impact, making them a smart choice for buyers looking for efficiency without compromise. Compared to competitors, the NX provides strong value, combining the prestige of the Lexus brand with premium materials, cutting-edge technology, and dependable performance. Whether you're considering the base model or a fully loaded trim, the NX caters to a wide range of luxury SUV buyers. So, what's the final verdict on the 2026 Lexus NX? Simply put, this SUV is a remarkable step forward for the NX lineup. It combines Lexus' signature luxury with modern, aggressive design, advanced technology, and versatile performance. From the bold, eye-catching exterior to the meticulously crafted interior, the NX exudes confidence and sophistication. The driving experience is refined yet engaging, making it suitable for both city streets and open highways. Safety, comfort, and technology are all top-notch, giving drivers and passengers peace of mind. If you're in the market for a compact luxury SUV that offers style, innovation, and reliability, the 2026 Lexus NX deserves serious consideration. Lexus has managed to create a vehicle that feels fresh, exciting, and practical, all at once, a true reflection of what modern luxury SUVs should be. That's it for our detailed review of the 2026 Lexus NX. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe to Turbo Trendz TV, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any of our latest car reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one, where we bring you more in-depth looks at the coolest cars hitting the market.